Explaining provision for tax account in cash flow statement. Two situations may come when no adjustment is given, when adjustment is given outside the balance sheet. When no adjustment is given, previous year balance is taken as tax paid in operating activity and it is deducted, and current year balance is taken as provision made and it is added in net profit to calculate net profit before tax and extraordinary item. Second situation is this, that the adjustment is given outside the balance sheet of tax paid. So we made provision for tax account and opening balance is taken on the credit side as balance BD and closing balance is taken on debit side as balance CD. Tax paid is taken on debit side. We arrive at the balancing figure and this is the provision made during the year. It is added to calculate net profit before tax and extraordinary item, and tax paid, it is deducted in operating activity at last. So these are the two situations. Either